Alright, it's October 25th, going in for morning sit. I think I'm gonna go around where I killed that doe. It's on the north side of like a little swampy area. Wind's coming out of the south, so there's normally scrapes and shit along the side of the trail of the side of the swampy area. Sorry about that. The swampy area, they travel the side of it. And there's normally a couple scrapes open there, pretty big ones. So I'm gonna go sit over there, see if anything comes out. It's supposed to rain today, so unless I get one in real close for like a perfect shot, I don't think I'm gonna shoot it because it's supposed to rain all day today and pretty hard tonight. So I'll only be in here until about, I don't know, 9:30 or so. But that's about it. I'll see you when I get in the tree. Alright, I'm set up in the tree. This scrape is opened up. And I'm on the edge of the swamp here. It's right by where I shot that doe. Looks like stuff's coming through here, so hopefully it'll be a good set. There's a couple other scrapes too. I'll show you what I got going on. I think I hear something, so. Alright, we got two smaller scrapes right there. The bigger one is right there. That's the bigger one. There's trails going in and out of the swamp. There's trails crossing here. There's trails coming. There's trails coming out of here, out of there, and they all come pretty much underneath me right here. So hopefully it'll be a good one. There's that pond back there, and the wood ducks are messing around in there again, flapping around. And the acorns have been falling over here too. So hopefully those acorns falling will bring something in. It rained this morning a little bit, so you would think they'd come in to freshen up these scrapes. Alright, well, we'll see here in a little bit. Like I said before, the little scrapes are over here. Big scrapes over here. Travel through here, through here, through there. And then they go out to that little island down there. So, we'll see if anything comes through. I hope so. So, it's fucking raining pretty good. I think I'm gonna give it another 15-20 minutes and then I'm out of here. Alright, it's time for an executive decision. I got about a half an hour until it really starts raining, about an hour until a thunderstorm, so I'm gonna get out of the tree and get back to a nice warm house. Guys, have a nice day. See you guys this next weekend.